The Tomo Credit Card is making waves as a fresh and innovative way to build credit without relying on a traditional credit score. Unlike most credit cards, which typically require a solid credit history to qualify, Tomo offers a solution for those with no credit or poor credit history. The unique selling point of Tomo is that it doesn't require a credit score to apply, which opens up access to credit for many people who might otherwise struggle to get approved. This is especially beneficial for those just starting out or looking to rebuild their credit, as it provides an opportunity without the usual roadblocks. One of the standout features of the Tomo card is its automatic 7-day payment system. This is designed to help users maintain low credit utilization, which is a key factor in improving your credit score. Every week, the card's balance is automatically paid off, which ensures that you stay on top of payments and avoid late fees. This is a smart approach because timely payments and maintaining a low balance are two of the best ways to build credit over time. Plus, the fact that it doesn't charge interest since it's a charge card helps you avoid accumulating debt while still gaining the benefits of building your credit. In addition to that, Tomo comes with some serious perks. Cardholders get access to Mastercard World Elite benefits, which include things like travel insurance, concierge services, and access to exclusive events. This is a nice touch because it adds value to the card beyond just its credit building features. For those who are used to debit cards, this can feel like a game changer. You're not just spending money, you're building a credit profile and earning perks at the same time, which is a major upgrade. However, the card isn't without its drawbacks. Since your spending power is determined by factors like your bank account balance rather than a set credit limit, it may take some time to figure out exactly what you can charge. To get the highest limit, you'll need to connect your bank accounts, and some users might find this a bit intrusive or inconvenient. Also, the requirement to pay off your balance in full every cycle, while helpful for building credit, may be tough for people who have difficulty managing their finances month to month. It's great for those who are disciplined about their spending, but could be a challenge for others. Another point to consider is that while Tomo doesn't affect your credit score when applying, if you miss payments or go over your spending power, it could hurt your credit in the long run. So, while it's easy to get started, you need to make sure you're on top of your financial habits. Overall, the Tomo credit card is a great option for those who are looking to build their credit with a simple, straightforward process. With no credit score required, automatic payments, and Mastercard World Elite benefits, it's definitely a step forward from traditional credit cards. Just be sure you're comfortable with the idea of paying your balance in full each cycle and the reliance on bank account balances for your spending limit. If you can manage that, Tomo could be a solid addition to your financial toolkit